Okay. Well, our discussion is about how subtle changes in minor body parts change the effect of our techniques dramatically. And we're going to start with the fist and the thumb. The first question that usually comes up is, how do I get proper alignment in the fist? It's actually quite easy. Just have the individual extend their index finger and point at something far away, and they've already achieved the alignment. All they have to do is fold the index finger back, and they have a proper alignment of the fist. Okay. Now, the fist is commonly used, you'll see the thumb covering both fingers. Unfortunately, this makes it structurally very weak. If we test it, we put one hand here and one hand here. Don't let me bend it. You'll see the fist collapses quite easily. However, if we take that fist and just cover the index finger and apply the same test, I can't bend it. When people punch with a pronated fist, very often what they do is they elevate their elbow so that it's pointing to the outside. This is a very structurally weak type of position for the body to be in. The way we would test this is you'd ask the individual to push, and it's a very difficult proposition. However, if we drop the elbow down here and ask them to push again, you can see how much stronger it is. The next position we're going to discuss is actually the position of the rear foot. If we have someone stand in a front balance stance, and we make sure that the rear foot is facing forward, when we come back to her arm, we find that it's fairly strong in terms of its resistance. If we ask her to move her foot a little bit out to the side, which is a very, very common mistake, and then we go back to our arm and test it again, we discover she's lost most of her strength. And all we have to do is move the foot, the rear foot, back into its proper position, and the strength comes back to the arm. Okay?